Hi everyone. In the last class we have studied about x and y intercepts, and now we are going to do some questions related to it. So the very first function is f of x equals 3x minus 2, and we have to find the x-intercept and y-intercept. So x-intercept, I will denote it by xi, okay. So to find the x-intercept, we know that the y-coordinate is always 0. So all we have to do here is just remember that y is equal to f of x. We have studied this in function notation. So here y is not given, but it's pretty clear here that you have to put f of x equal to 0 here. So all we have to do here is 0 is equal to 3x minus 2. That will give us 3x is equal to 2, right? And from here we can easily find the value of x, which will be 2 by 3. That means here the x-intercept is going to be 2 by 3. And if they are asking to write this in the ordered pair form, then your answer would be 2 by 3, comma 0. Now to find the y-intercept, we have to remember that in y-intercept the x coordinate is always 0. So the original function is f of x equals 3x minus 2, and I just said, right, that the x, or we basically say the input, is always 0. So all you have to do here is just replace the input with 0. So f of 0 is equal to 3 times 0 minus 2. That will give us f of 0 is equal to negative 2. That is your y-intercept here. So we have found the x-intercept and y-intercept. The same process you have to follow for the other questions also. So let's see question number 2 here. So here p of a is equal to 2 times a plus 4 minus 6. Again, to find the x-intercept, what we will do? We will put p of a equal to 0, because that's our output, or we can say that's the y-coordinate. That's always 0 in case of x-intercept. So 0 is equal to 2 times a plus 4 minus 6. So that means we will get 2a plus 8 minus 6, and that means we have 2a plus 2, that's equal to 0. So I'll subtract 2 from both the sides, so I will get negative 2 is equal to 2a, and now I will divide both sides by 2, so I will get a is equal to negative 1. I hope that's clear here. This is going to be your x-intercept, okay, negative 1. And again, if we have to write it in ordered pair form, then in this case it would be negative 1 comma 0. And also in the previous question, the ordered form would have been 0 comma negative 2. Okay. Now to find the y-intercept, we will do the same thing as we did in the last question. So the original function is p of a equals 2 times a plus 4 minus 6. So in case of y-intercept, the input is always 0. In this function, the input is a, so we will replace a with 0. So p of 0 will be 2 times 0 plus 4 minus 6. That gives us 2 times 4 minus 6, and that is equal to 8 minus 6, which gives us 2. That means here p of 0, or basically your y-intercept, is equal to 2. And if we have to write it in ordered pair form, then it would be 0 comma 2. Let's see the last question of this type. So here the function is g of b is equal to b squared minus 4. So again, to find the x-intercept, I will put g of b equal to 0. So then I will get 0 is equal to b squared minus 4. Now I will add 4 on both the sides. So I will get 4 is equal to b squared. And now I have to find the value of b. That means b will be equal to square root of 4, and there are two square roots of 4, that is 2 and negative 2. So there are two x-intercepts in this case. The two x-intercepts are 2 and negative 2. So if you have to write it in the ordered pair form, then it would be 2 comma 0 and negative 2 comma 0. Now let's find the y-intercept. So to find the y-intercept, I will replace my input with 0. So g of b is equal to b squared minus 4. So g of 0 will be equal to 0 squared minus 4, that is equal to minus 4. That means my y-intercept is negative 4. So in ordered pair form, I can write it as 0 comma negative 4. So that is my y-intercept here. Let's see the next question now. Okay, again the similar type. Okay, it's just that here instead of using the function notation, I have directly put y here. So y is equal to 2x plus 8, and you have to find the x-intercept. So again, in x-intercept, y is always equal to 0. So 0 equals 2x plus 8. Subtracting 8 from both the sides, so we will get negative 8 is equal to 2x. And now dividing both the sides by 2. So negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. So basically we are getting x is equal to negative 4. So this is our x-intercept here. Now let's see the next question. It will be the last one from this topic. So here they are saying if a function f of x equals 2 times x plus 9 minus 9, find its initial value. Now I have not explained to you that what is initial value before this. Okay, so initial value is what? When your x is equal to 0, when your x is 0, then what is f of 0? That is your initial value. F of 0 basically means y, right? So you will do what to find the initial value? That you will take your input to be 0 and you will see corresponding to x equal to 0, what is your output? That is the definition of initial value. But if you see carefully, then y-intercept is the same thing, right? Y-intercept is the point where your x coordinate is always 0. That means you can think of initial value of a function also as its y-intercept. So all you have to do here is consider this to be y-intercept here. So again, in y-intercept, or even if you take the definition of initial value where x is 0, right? So you must be getting this now. All we have to do here is replace x with 0. So f of 0 will be equal to 2 times 0 plus 9 minus 9. That will give us 2 times 9 minus 9, that is 18 minus 9, which is 9. That means this is your initial value of the function, or you can say this is your y-intercept of the function.